Currently in Hobart. We've just been loitering around town this morning. Still kind of recovering from the overland track as we're both a bit shattered. So we've just done all our washing, whatnot, and now we're just making our way up Mount Wellington, where we're going to stop for some lunch shortly and go from there.
So we just woke up this morning here. We're parked in Glenorchy Showgrounds just outside of Hobart, and there was a guy next door to us that's leaving today, but they're flying, so they actually rented a van and they bought like a month's worth of food for a week, and he pretty much just gave it all to us. So we got like teas, coffees, noodles, cereals, Nutrigrade, paper, like paper towel, some wine, some beers, some cleaning stuff. So yeah, we're pretty set now. We went shopping yesterday, but this will get us through a little bit longer as well. So thanks, mate.
So we are just driving to the next campsite and have decided to pull over and go for a bit of a walk. Where are we, Timmy?
We're in the Tasman Peninsula, just going down to the tessellated pavements.
Beach.
Tessellated pavements, which are like pretty cool little rocks on the beach. It's like a little walk, and they're all like square, rectangle, straight line things, hence the name.
Yes, but it's really nice. It looks really cold, but we were talking about potentially going for a surf the next couple of days if we find a good spot, but I think we're going to be pretty brave to do that. So for a little bit of clarification, these rock formations are surprisingly not man-made. It is said that they were originally formed by an earthquake 300 million years ago, and since then salt crystals and erosion has deepened and defined the cracks in the rocks, making this occurrence extremely rare. In Tasman Peninsula, and we're about to go do the Cape Raoul walk. Raoul walk. We didn't think we walked enough on the overland track, so we thought we'd go do this 10k walk today. Yay. What did it say it would take? Like
4 hours.
4 hours apparently for 10 kilometres return. So I don't think that's quite accurate, but we'll get there in the end.
So, as you can see from the sign, we are here. We're going to go all the way down here to Cape Raoul, which is around a 4-hour walk, just under 10k's return. Also going to see if we can get to Shipstern Bluff, the lookout, because it looks pretty crazy there if the surf's like that. So here we go. Bye.
Alright, so when we took the video before, we were like up along the edge here, and we've just made our way all the way down, and we still have a little further to go, but we are nearly there.
And we're just pretty much rocking up back to the car park now. That was Cape Raoul, and it was pretty spectacular. We weren't really expecting those kind of views at the end of it, which was a nice little surprise. So definitely put that on your list if you're coming down to the Tasman Peninsula. Here we are in Freycinet National Park in Tasmania. Paige has rolled her foot while we were on the overland track and we had to strap it up, but we'll see how bad it gets today if we need to go get it checked out.
On it for a week and didn't notice, so
Yeah, got a bit swollen.
I have cankles.
But the plan is to go up there, Mt Amos. It's like a 3 to 4 hour return and we'll see how we go testing the ankle out. So we made it to the top. It is a pretty spectacular view. It took us like an hour and a half to get up here, but it was probably like one of the harder ones we've done because you're at points on all fours trying to climb up the thing, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we made it up to the top and it's very nice. Alright, so we've just woken up nice and early at Swimcart Beach to watch the sunrise. It's just peeking its head through now. Looks pretty good.
Alrighty, we are at the base of fire. We camped at Swimcart Beach last night, which is a free campsite here, and it's absolutely amazing. We camped right on the beach. Like, yeah, it's pretty unbelievable. We'll show you the photos and videos of that, and you'll get the gist of it. But yeah, it's pretty nice here. Moments ago, Tim said he was basically a monkey. And he's really apparently good at climbing rocks, so he's going to give this a crack.
So we pulled into Mt Amos National Park last night and woke up to a really nice day.
Apart from the cold.
Apart from the wind, like the sun's pretty warm. It's just the wind is quite freezing. That's right, it's still a nice day. There's not many clouds, or there's like
only a few clouds in the distance over there. But we're going to go check out, there's some rocks over there that we're going to go check out and see what we can find over there. So we just got some little slugs here. These are like a 25 gram slug, an oil slick colour, so when it hits the sun in the water it does a little reflection in a little piece. So we're going to tie these up, head down and see if we can catch some salmon. So we've just been fishing pretty much all day. We came back in for lunch and we finally caught 2 Australian salmon. They're about like 35 centimetres each. I've just chopped the head off and taken the guts out of it on the beach because we don't want the smell back at the campsite. Fire's going, we popped some hardwood in there. We're going to get the bush barbecue out on top of it and have some nice fresh fish for dinner. Should be good.
Alrighty, so after staying at Old Mac's farm stay last night, we're heading off to Ben Lomond National Park today, which is just about an hour outside of Launceston. We're going to go explore around there. But before we go there, Timmy is going to go look at a mountain bike from Facebook Marketplace. We've kind of discussed that potentially getting bikes would be a pretty good way to explore some areas. Alright, so we just finished exploring Ben Lomond National Park, and on the way back we thought we'd give fishing a crack. So here we are, hoping to catch another trout, but unfortunately thus far, no luck. So see how much longer it lasts. Alright, so we're back at the van now. That was a bit of a failed fishing trip. All we caught was sticks, leaves, and we got a couple of leeches on our legs, which was lovely. So calling it quits. I think we were just blessed the other day, because while we were fishing, the trout were literally jumping out of the water, and Tim got that decent sized trout on his third cast, and he caught 2 others that he threw back. So just not the day. It's alright though. What are you doing, Timmy?
I'm checking for leeches because I had 2 of them on me before, but I think all good.
Alright, so we are still in Tassie. We're spending our last couple. I know, but I'm just still informing them.
Now you know.
We're in Launceston and we're just checking out Cataract Gorge, which is like only 5 minutes from the city, and here we are. Like, it's crazy. The serenity. Yeah, Tim, say your part.
What was my part?
Oh wait, I did say your part.
Yeah, you did say my part.
That's all we have to say. It's pretty nice though, lots of rocks and water.
Oh my god, you sounded so amazed by it.
Yeah, it's actually quite serene, very quiet.
Oh my lord.
So if you can see in the distance, there are some chairlifts. So another option here at Cataract Gorge is to catch the chairlift. I believe it's around $20-ish for a return trip on the chairlift, but we have decided just to walk it. So in the far there, you've got a swimming pool, and then you've got the bridge over here in the corner as well. Alright, so there is the swimming pool. And if you're wondering, it is not heated.
Alright, so it's Monday, which is our last day here in Tasmania. We've just gone through all of the security and check-in for the Spirit of Tassie, and we're in line number 15.
Yeah, we didn't have to get rid of any fruit or veg or pot plants this time.
But turns out our spear gun had to be declared.
Apparently it's a weapon.
Yes, which was buried in the back and took me longer to get out than it did to fill out some paperwork.
Yeah.
But that's alright. So we're just lining up. It's like 6:30 at the moment and we should be boarding hopefully pretty soon.